Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to another engaging episode on Jhuxtello iTech, the one-stop channel for all things tech. Today's topic is an exciting one. We'll be delving into the world of Notepad++ and starting off with HTML. This video aims to guide beginners and serve as a refresher for those who've dabbled in this field before. So gear up for an exciting journey. To kick things off, Notepad++ is a robust, free source code editor that supports a multitude of programming languages. Its user-friendly interface and versatility make it a top pick for beginners. Time to ignite Notepad++ and dive into HTML, the building block of web development. HTML, short for Hypertext Markup Language, structures web content. New to these terms? Fear not, we'll break it down bit by bit. Notepad++ greets you with a clean, easy-to-navigate interface. Initiating a new HTML document is as simple as typing, "This is your basic HTML document skeleton." Here's a quick run-through. This statement defines the document type and HTML version. The root element of an HTML page holds meta information about the HTML document, such as the title. Sets your web page title visible on the Browser tab. This is where the magic happens. All your web page content goes here. Now, to add some content, for instance, a heading can be created by typing, "This will generate a level 1 heading on your page." Save your file with a .html extension. Open it in your web browser, and voila, your first HTML page is live. Feel empowered to experiment with more HTML tags to add paragraphs, lists, images, and links. Notepad++ is your playground to edit and test your code. Output, and there we have it, a brief yet comprehensive introduction to Notepad++ and HTML basics. Hopefully this tutorial has been insightful. If there are any questions or specific topics you'd like to see covered in future videos, drop a comment below. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Until the next episode, keep coding and stay curious.